One of the guys is representing Mandela, Nelson Mandela Foundation, and we
It's
have Michael
Richard.
Jackson
Yeah.
Foundation. Yeah, Foundation Michael Jackson is also here. So it's something big coming up. There's a press conference coming up. Wait for us. Just hang in there. We don't want to break it out now, but just know we're doing something to save the environment.
Vampino otututte nnyo mu luzungu. Soko tugambe. Bano abazze be baani.
Bano kuliko omwami akiikirira Nelson Mandela
Yali
Foundation.
wakubona.
Ye wali kuliko omukyala n'omwami ono wa Michael Jackson and Nelson Mandela. Ebisigadde byonna tubaye twagala tubikolye ku press conference. Mukimanyi tulina abagenyi abazze okutuyamba ennyo okugata music n'ekintu ekitaasa eggwanga. So ebisigadde byonna tugenda kuba tubabuulirira nammwe mugezeeko okutwegattako. Mukimanyi tulina abagenyi abazze okutukwataganyiza wamu tulabe nga tu saving a planet.
Totusunuddeko tumanye oba bazze kukola ki jasa akatonotono.
Anti kyembadde nkugamba kyembadde njagala tusumule lumu wali wonna nga nabo beeyogera mbayisa ga boogere kati basuke bawumule mwe mukimanye mbu tulina abaguest abazze okukwataganya music ne environment which is going to make a very big difference nga kiyamba omuntu yenna ali ku nsi.
And happy to be home again. I'm a home girl from Gulu. Happy to come home with a climate initiative uniting music and environmental action and activism. And as you've been told, we'll have a press conference on Monday and we'll be able to give you more details on what's coming up. Until then, we're really, really happy to be here and thank you so much for this wonderful warm welcome. This is what the Pearl's all about. Warm people, good vibes, good music, and looking very much forward to the continuation.
Hi, my name is Richard Nilsson. I'm the president for an organization called Adventure of Humanity. And Adventure of Humanity was initiated by Michael Jackson and Nelson Mandela back in 1999. We are working around 6 words: love, peace, unity, equality, friendship and happiness. And we are coming into Uganda to get it around, to make something very, very beautiful related to the climate.
Have you ever been to Uganda before?
This is my first time in Uganda. I've been several times in Africa, but this is my first time, and I'm really, really looking forward to spend some beautiful days here and be able to come back a little bit later on this year.
Oh, my name is Björn, or Bibi, and I'm a piano. It's my 3rd time here in Uganda, and it's my new favorite country in the whole world. I love to be here, and I love to. Your musicians around here is amazing. The music scene is amazing. I love it. I'm doing things with Vampino. I'm doing things we have a lot of new tracks. There's a lot of new music coming out. We have music videos and a lot of new artists coming on. But the thing is that here in Uganda we are making a big climate concert later this year. We have a lot of different initiatives, and it's gonna be huge. And yeah.
Wait for the press conference. She'll give you more details.
But it's gonna be amazing, and I'm just so happy to be back. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, man. Kukyusa gwanga kukyusa bulamu ecosystem ekyuka gwe woli wonna kimanyi ensi tesigaza nnyo myaka nyingi nga tukyaliwo ng'abantu.
Kino kigenda kyusa kya
music industry terina kyeyamba nnyo kikwatagana na bulamu bwabwe tejja kubaawo nga ensi eweddewo. So bo bonna bajja kufa. Bw'otakifaako leero actually ensi ezisinga zatandise okukikozesa. You have to save the ecosystem. Simanyi over this week mbadde mulaba planets nga ze aligning. Over Uganda is not informed. Planets zibadde mu bbanga nga zeepanga. System yonna eri mu kukyuka. Ng'osoze abana amaaso gonerera ekiro. I don't know what's the day today. Mukebere waggulu mbere nga mutuna mbwengula. Mujja kulaba emunyenye ezaako ennyuzi si munyenye. Actually ziri planets ziri next n'omwezi. This whole month zigenda kuba zeyalayinize. Within the 28th mugenda kulaba nga balinga nga abasuula disco lights mu bbanga. Those abalina ebitangaza ebiraba ewala. We're going to acquire playful lights in the air. So we're not going to be happening because of the many years that have gone. So because of the green climate in Africa right now and globally. So something big is coming up, but we are using music to push this. All right, Vampino 1.